Yo guys, what's going on? It's SD22 here again, bringing you another video. Today guys, we're going to be checking out the new tow truck for flashing lights. I guess turn on the fly. So, this is my first flashing lights video. I figured we'd just check it out and all. So, first off, I have no clue why there's a tow truck with red and blue lights and a siren. I don't know why police department would do that, but you know. So, pretty sure we could probably just respond to calls on this if we really wanted to. I don't really see a point in it though. So yeah, I don't really know. We're just gonna drive around until we find something. So yeah. We're gonna say no once again on the hunt. This thing's kinda cool, I guess. Guess we could make a right run up sitting here, you know, waiting for a right on red, or for a green light. Maybe making a right on red. What an idiot I am. We're going for the U-turn right here. Probably not even legal, I don't care. Be a popo, right guys? No, I'm just joking. Hey, now it's a green light. Holy crap. Okay, obviously. Alright. So, I think I've come to a conclusion, guys, that we have to respond to a call to be able to tow, and there's not call-outs yet for it, I'm assuming. Fight in progress, so that's not going to be very helpful to us. I don't know why I stopped there. Can't tell I'm losing it. I'm curious, what bright is the traffic advisor? Guess there's no signs on it. Come on, game, give us something like good. An arsonist, holy crap, that's a new one. Alright, we're gonna check this arsonist call out. That is a brand new one. Why does this thing have sirens on it? That's insane in my opinion. Oh, I don't have a car to tow. What the heck? There he is, though. Tow truck pursuit, guys. Tow truck pursuit. Oh yeah, skirt! Oh shit, it's the reefer taser. Oh, I actually have to do that? Crap. I was giving it a while. I'm not transporting because I'm in a tow truck, so. Good, cool. Alright, goodbye. No longer my problem. Huh, my friggin' turn signals. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Okay. Alrighty, guys. I really don't know what's gonna happen. Just went and put in the transporter. There we go. Call's over, right? Yeah, call's over. Alrighty. How's your guys going? Gotta love the textured skid marks, guys, without shadows on them, you know? Gotta love it. This thing does look pretty cool, though. The turn signals over there, I kinda like this. I'm not going to that. Yeah, I just not realized how shiny the tires were. Holy crap, guys, can we get something with a damn car involved? About to just start towing random ass vehicles, like holy crap. Gotta love this crappy ass horn. Should put like more vehicle horn on it, like a truck horn. Like this ain't no dinky little smart car. Screw it, we've got 89% of a tank. We'll just take this one out. We'll get some gas while we wait. This is taking too long. Gotta love how it just goes right through. Alrighty. Well, we can just chill here until we get another call. I guess. So let me know in the comments how you guys' day is going. Possible drunk driver, finally. Alrighty, let's go. Let's go, boys. We got this. Hey, boys, ready? Where is it? We gotta find it here. I'm lost. There, it's the map key. Okay. Please don't tell me it's out in the middle of fucking nowhere. Reports at pull over any suspect driving an alcohol. Oh, just freaking tacular. That end looked weird. Trying to look for people swiveling and such. What? No, this is getting like holy crap. This is getting really boring, I'll say that. I don't know why I'm stopping at a green light. I'm telling you guys, maybe I am drunk. Maybe we ought to just set up a DUI checkpoint. I really don't know right now, guys. What do you guys think? shit, he just ran a red light too. Screw it, let's hope we don't get run over. I probably should have a traffic vest on, honestly. There you go, give me a second. I'm gonna put on a traffic vest. That just seems, especially because I'm running a tow unit. I feel like that'd just be 1,000 times more of a smarter idea. Can I freaking shut you? There we go. Oh, what? This is the dumbest idea to run in front. Why can't I ask if she's had any alcohol recently? That is pretty stupid. Alright. You're free to go. Yeah, this is definitely a new call. We have not had this one yet. Screw her, running a red. Could have given her a ticket for that red light, but I don't really honestly care, guys. Oh my god. Holy crap. Let's go, we'll take a left with this guy. Actually, no. Holy crap, guys, this is boring. Oh, it's green light. I don't know why. I gotta get used to noticing that. Holy crap. Screw it, I'm running red. I don't even care at this point. Okay, I want to check this person out. They're all over the road. Just fantastic, you know, gotta love it. Oh, great, it's not even registering, he's pulled over, how nice. As he's an advisor. Alright, Mr. Morton. Go ahead and breathe onto this tape for me. What the heck? Alright, I'm giving up on this call. This is just stupid. Signal is going to be the end of the world, guys. Dude, there has to be a location for this. There's no way. Like, or even like a little bubble of like the location that it could be in. Here, let me see. Maybe anything? No. Reported a drunk driver reported. Respond code 1. Alright, guys. Well, that's the first checkout of the tow truck. I honestly don't know. We didn't get to tow anything, which makes me a little mad. We're definitely going to be returning to this. Let me know if you want to see more flashing loom lights in the future. You know, it's whatever. I'd like to do more. I know we're going to be doing some multiplayer too. Let me know your guys' feedback. We'll try to do the new call out next time, but I think the game broke. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.